Hi everyone, welcome back to CyberChimps. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a clean and professional price list on your WordPress website. Whether you're offering services, products, or membership plans, a well-organized price list can help your visitors quickly understand what you offer. With responsive add-ons for Elementor, you can design a price list that perfectly fits with your website look and feel. So let's get started. So we'll do this in 3 steps. Step 1 is to install and activate responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. Now to install responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin, you need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard and then navigate to plugins and then click on add new plugin. And now here search for responsive add-ons for Elementor. And when you found this plugin, click on install now. And once the installation is complete, click on activate. Now the plugin has been activated successfully. So as you know, responsive add-ons for Elementor is an add-on plugin for Elementor. So make sure you have Elementor installed and activated on your website before proceeding. Now let's go to the step 2, which is to add the RAE price list widget. Now go to the page where you want to add the widget and click on edit with Elementor. Now here on the left hand panel, search for RAE price list. When you found this widget, drag and drop it where you want to add it, and this is how the widget will appear by default. Now let's go to the third step, which is customizing the RAE price list widget. So now let's start customizing the widget. So the first option you can see is list. So this shows a list of all the items in the widget. You can drag and drop them to change their order. If you click on the add item button, you can add more items to the list. And if you click on this cross icon, then you can delete this list. Or if you want to copy this list, then just click on this icon. Now when you click on the list, it will get expanded and then you can see all these settings over here. So under price, you can add the price of the item. Now here you get an option to disable or enable the discount. So if you want to enable the discount, then this option will appear. So here you can set the original price, and here you can add the title, and here you can choose the type of badge. You can choose between icon or text. So if you choose icon, then if you click here, you can choose an icon from the library. Or if you go ahead with text, then you can add the text over here. Here you can add the description. Now here you can add an image to your item if you want. So click here and just upload an image. And now you can also add a link to your image if you want from here. Similarly, you can go ahead and add all the items in your list. So once you're done with the list, go to the style tab. Now under style tab, the first option is title and price. So from here you can change the title and price typography, and you can change the color, and you can also change the title hover color from here. And from here you can adjust, you can set the left spacing between the badge and the title, and you can change the typography of the badge from here. You can change the color of the badge from here, and you can adjust the background color of the badge. And you can add a border to your badge, give radius to it, add box shadow, and add padding as well. And under old price, you can change the color of old price from here. You can adjust the typography of the old price. And from here, you can customize the description. You can change the color and typography. And similarly, you can change the separator style. You can make it solid, or you can make it dotted, dash, double, or none. And you can adjust the weight of the separator from here, and you can change the color of the separator, and from here you can increase or decrease the space to the left and right of the separator. Now let's go to the image section, and from here you can change the image resolution, and under border radius you can set the border radius of the image, and you can adjust the spacing between image and the content from here. And let's go to the last tab, which is item, and from here you can adjust the rows gap, and you can adjust the vertical alignment from here. You can make it center, bottom, or top. So once you're done with all the customization, go ahead and click on publish. And now click on preview changes to see the live changes on your website. This is how the widget will appear on the front end of your website. And that's how you can easily create a price list using responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. If you have any queries, drop them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.